in the background. I'm taking a video. What you doing, Coleman?
Look at the bird. Okay?
What's up above you, Coleman? It's a birdie in the tree. That's right, Blue. What do you think, Coleman? You really want to get that bird. Get that tail. The bird's in another room. He's in there. Coleman. Coleman. Coleman.
I ran for a cat now.
Hey, finally, how it's good night.
That's fine. Coleman. 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 The bird is actually on my head. Flew over to my head. What do you think, Coleman? Huh? Coleman! Coleman. Are you gonna pounce? You like when they're around the ball. Coleman. 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 He's giving me a dirty look. That is a dirty look if I've ever seen one. He is giving me a total dirty look. It's like the one-eyed look. Are you totally disgusted? Coleman, I love you. Okay, I feel guilty. Okay, the bird flew off my head now. My Coleman.
Buddy boy, can you come out here and put all the toys back?